Today about security in Ukraine. If you live in Ukraine, if you won't live in Ukraine, in Kyiv city or maybe in other cities, you can ask me about how stay in here safety, and I have answer about this. It's our company United International Partners. We can find for you good real estate, and this real estate we can make better and make this real estate bunker for you. And this bunker will be very safety, and you don't need go down every time when you look and when you hear the alarm about when fly to your city, missiles or drones or other have a problem with the security. Okay, if you need this service, you can ask me. You can write me in the contact and this profile. Be safety in Ukraine.